Masquerada say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels in confessions and deep secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya neno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa karoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takuigirai nyaya irikunzeka netsa mu Politburo meeting yakaitwa nebato rezanu-PF nezuro ku ZANU-PF party headquarters. Zvirukunzi kwanga kusina kumira zvakanaka. The atmosphere was very tense during the Politburo meeting. Chiwenga uyo akaonekwa ane new look iyo yendebvu dzaRobert Mugabe pane picture yake yakacirculata akafrauna face zvichinzi papasina kumira mushe. Hanzi didn't say much. Mutsvangwa was in a very pensive mood. Hanzi hazvina kumira mushe. Okusira Mnangagwa aingosekerera. Apo President Mnangagwa vaibreathe fire. Majarajaro sakabuda on his ex endo achitaura achiti zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka. The atmosphere was very tense during the Politburo meeting today. Chiwenga, who is now wearing a Mugabe beard, didn't say much. Mutsvangwa was in a very pensive mood and appeared to dismiss what everyone was saying. Okusira anga achingogegedzera ndonyaya yakabuditswa namajairajairos mure Zimbabwe. The ZimI yakabudo ichikomenta on the picture rakasurface ra Constantino Chiwenga panga akafrauna kuchara ivo vachiti the President Emerson Mnangagwa chaired a tense Politburo meeting on Tuesday as tensions between his supporters and those of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga continue to threaten ZANU-PF's unity ahead of the party's national conference. So Chiwenga, displaying a notably somber expression throughout the meeting, starkly contrasted with his co-vice president Kembo Moadi, who maintained a jovial demeanor. The gathering was held amid rising factional conflict over the party's future leadership. The Politburo reviewed the Central Committee's conference set to commence today in Bulawayo. Mnangagwa, steering clear of the divisive succession battle, focused his address on national policies. He urged party members to rally behind resolutions aimed at achieving an industrialized Zimbabwe, despite his government's poor track record on aligning policies with the people. It is important to note that this year's conference beckons us all to rally our energies and abilities with regards to crafting responsive and futuristic resolutions. This will go a long way in fostering broad and collective responsibilities to realize a modern and industrialized Zimbabwe, Mnangagwa said. The urgency of the Politburo meeting was prompted by recent violent clashes between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga supporters. Over the weekend, ZANU-PF Harare Provincial Chairperson Goodwill Masimirembo's business offices were firebombed, allegedly by Chiwenga loyalists. In a brutal escalation, one of Masimirembo's security guards was doused in petrol and set alight. His condition remains unknown and an investigation is ongoing. Masimirembo, a key Mnangagwa ally, has been vocal in supporting the president's controversial bid to extend his rule beyond the 2028 constitutional limit, a move that has angered Chiwenga's faction. Sources claim Mnangagwa reneged on an alleged 2017 coup agreement to hand over power to Chiwenga after 2 terms, leading to growing unrest within ZANU-PF. Despite the escalating internal conflict, ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa sought to downplay the rift, emphasizing the importance of the upcoming conference in shaping party policy. As the conference begins, the deepening power struggle casts a shadow over the party's future, raising concerns about its stability amid violent factionalism. Donya yakabuditswa ZimI mure Zimbabwe yachitaura vachiti this meeting was an urgent meeting yakakolwa na President Emmerson Mnangagwa mushure mekunge pari kufungidzira kuti maloyalist Vice President Constantino Chiwenga ndiwo akabomba the office yaMasimirembo mure Zimbabwe. So zvinhu mushe the environment was tense mu Zimbabwe. Tisingaziwe kuti kunoona sei nyaya ituzi zvamurufunga comment section.
379th ordinary session of our Politburo, marking the commencement of the 21st National People's Conference, which is going to be hosted by Bulawayo province. The session will therefore receive final reports on our readiness to hold the conference. Other aspects which are very critical are associated with the agenda and the format of our proceedings will be discussed today. During this session, the Politburo will also receive the Central Committee report to the 21st National People's Conference, in line with the dictates of our party constitution, ZANU-PF. Sadly, since our last meeting, we laid to rest a gallant son of the soil and a stalwart of our war of independence, the late national hero, Comrade Shinga George Dube, at our sacred National Heroes Acre. I now invite the Politburo to observe a minute of silence in his honor and memory. May his soul rest in peace. Comrades, I want to applaud you all, including the coordinating committee, our party staff, and our host, the Bulawayo province, for the preparatory work undertaken in the preparation and build-up to this year's conference. The dedication and loyalty to the party, as well as the unity and focus witnessed so far, must remain throughout the conference and indeed embedded in our work ethics and a broader organizational culture. As we set our focus on the conference, it is critically important that the party locates the overarching need to support, revitalize, and recalibrate our manufacturing sector as an urgent and central task for the development of our motherland.